Hello, this is Jeff Sutter.
Meet
At my own studio.
in the studio. Yes, it's very nice, very nice.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
I came here to introduce you to Rosalie.
Oh my God, Rosalie?
Rosalie, yes, please.
Vegetable?
What? No. Please open it.
Damn.
Dun, dun,
White
dun.
neck, white body, white picard. And this pickup is
Wilkinson's
Wilkinson's.
VWS.
So you did it all yourself?
Yep.
Like, okay, his stuff is his own name.
Yep. My name.
Where's that? Where's it?
Which part?
And
It's got the, rolling string trees. There he is.
grab here.
Rosalie.
Rosalie.
Yes.
And it stands for it means
It means rose.
from
Nothing from the flower.
right.
Jeff Sutter. First impressions.
It's pretty lightweight.
Yep.
And it's pretty the setup is pretty good.
Yeah. Thank you.
And play it easily.
This is a rosewood fretboard. It's not ebony.
Oh yeah.
I wish it was ebony.
Is it C-neck or big?
I'm pretty sure it's standard C-neck. Yeah.รุ่นแบบthe new Strats.
But I think it's pretty thick compared to my Telecaster. So I think it's different size or something.
I actually changed. So the thing that I changed on the neck itself is I did the fret work. I rounded the frets.
Yeah.
So there's no sharp frets, and then I changed this the nut from plastic to bone. So this is bone nut right here.
Oh, so what did you use for the finish here?
So I sanded the lacquer off,
Uh-huh.
and then I went through the grit of sandpaper, and then I finished it with tongue oil and beeswax.
Tongue oil?
Mhm.
It
Naman
is what?
ตังอิ๋ว Naman ตังอิ๋ว
Yeah. And you changed this too?
Yeah. It came with some off-brand tuners. This is the first sound test. Let's do neck pickup.
Okay. So let's just try it. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty warm, but not muddy.
Yeah, you can actually still hear the.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, nervous.
Red bones. Yeah, that's cool.
There we go. Hold on. Getting. There we go. Okay, Mr. Jeff Sutter.
Yeah.
So now that you met Rosalie, you have to play her a little bit. What do you think of the craftsmanship and the quality of this
Who
guitar?
made this? Who made this?
I did. I made it. I modified it.
Yeah.
So the only thing that's original on this is the body,
Uh-huh.
of course the pick guard, and of course all the internals are different.
How about like the color of it?
The color was supposed to be original, but you know I messed it up a little bit and I tried to fix it, but it's not original anymore.
Okay.
So the neck is original, but you know I set it up, did the fretwork myself.
Mhm.
The nut is now bone instead of plastic. These string trees I put on myself. Locking tuners, new pickups, same bridge, different backplate.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Like the fret is pretty smooth.
Thank you. Thank you.
And it's easy to play. I think it's because you set it all up pretty good. Yeah, and where's it? The back of the neck is pretty smooth. About the sound quality, so I really like the neck pickup,
Yeah.
which is I use the most when I play guitar.
Same.
So, yeah, it's pretty warm, but not too muddy, and I think if you really like some kind of new vibe,
Yeah,
soul
yeah.
vibe, it's pretty good to play that type of key, that song, and also like the middle pickup is I guess a little brighter.
Twangy.
Twangy,
Yeah,
yeah,
twangy.
it's really twangy. It's perfect for funky, that kind, and it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. And, yeah, thank you for giving me.
Oh no! Thank you for giving me this
No.
one. We can trade. It's okay.
A pick.
1 second. Take your
Oh.
pick. Take your pick of the pick.
You
The
have
one that I
more-
marked special.
You have more pick than I do.
Yeah.